not sure who asked this one, but it's one that a lot of people kind of struggle with, and it's because it's not easy to wrap your head around it the first time you have to think it through. So let me see if I can explain it in a way that makes sense to you. So here's the question. What's the difference between your brand name, your business name, and a trademark? What's the difference between a brand name, a business name, and a trademark? Okay, so let's see if I can explain this for you. So simply put, your brand name can be anything at all you want to be. You want to call your product, your suite of products, can be anything at all. Neil's Fluffy Toy Emporium could be my brand name for my suite of products, and then underneath, within my Fluffy Toy Emporium, of course, I can sell all sorts of different fluffy toys, okay? But my brand name, Neil's Fluffy Toy Emporium, that is mine. The only thing I need to do to have that as my brand name is just to say, that's my brand name. It's honestly as easy as that. Now, it makes sense before you decide upon your brand name to just check that somebody else hasn't decided that they want the same brand name and they've already got there first, okay? So it makes sense to do that. And in the AOE training, I show you exactly how to do that, how to just check that the brand name you want is available for you to have. Somebody hasn't already kind of claimed it first and started calling their products Neil's Fluffy Toy Emporium, all right? But as far as the legal side of things, as far as the Amazon side of things, once I say that's what I'm going to call my suite of products, Neil's Fluffy Toy Emporium, that's it. I can get my logo done. Bada boom, bada bing, I am done as far as that's concerned, okay? Next comes the next level of legal protection for your business, because this is what we're really talking about here, which is a business name. Very, very different. I could call my brand name anything at all, and as long as nobody else has got that somewhere around the world, big whoop-de-doo for me, I can have it. My business name is different, okay? Now, I can have exactly the same business name as my brand name. I can call my business Neil's Fluffy Toy Emporium, Pty Ltd for a company, or I can just have Neil's Fluffy Toy Emporium for my sole trader. No dramas at all. So all I need to do to register my business name is go to, let's just pull it up here. So go to asic.gov, register a business name, and I can register my business name with ASIC. Now that is very, very, I really recommend you do that. It is $37 from memory for the year and $87 for 3 years to register your business name with ASIC. Now, that is different to your company name. It is different to your sole trader. These are all different things, but what I would suggest you do is register your brand name, Neil's Fluffy Toy Emporium, as a business name too. You can have heaps of different business names. You don't just need one. You can have heaps of different ones, and that gives you another level of protection, okay? However, none of what we've discussed so far affords you any real legal protection if somebody decides that they also want to sell your products, and none of it really affords you any protection on Amazon, which is what we're really here to talk about. And for that, you'll need a trademark. Trademarks in Australia, they've actually made the process really quite easy. You get them from IP Australia, and I'm going to give you the link for that. IP Australia. Dun, 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 blank. IP Australia. And currently a trademark which will allow you to protect your brand name, Neil's Fluffy Toy Emporium, and also register for brand registry on Amazon. Currently, a trademark using the Head Start process is this. There you go. That's all the different prices for your thing. And it depends how many classes you want to put it into, but you don't really need to put it into one class, okay? So there's that. So that's the 3 different levels. Level 1 is no legal protection whatsoever. You just decide you're going to call your business Neil's Fluffy Toy Emporium. You get a logo made, you're done. Level 2, you register your name with ASIC. Level 3, you register your name with IP Australia. That's the 3 levels of business name. So brand name, business name, and trademark in Australia. Okay. Oh, I don't know if this is true or not, but Nick Hemsall says IP Australia are increasing their prices as of October 1, as of October 1st. Okay. So we'll have to take Nick at his words for that. I don't know if that's right or not, but that's what Nick says. So if you're going to get it done now. Now, I will tell you, registering a trademark is, I think, best left to a legal professional. The person that I think you should go and use is actually in the AOE community. Her name is Kate Sun. And Kate has registered heaps and heaps of brand names for heaps and heaps of different people. So if I come over to discussions, if you want to find Kate, all you need to do is tag her in a post. And to do that, just start with the @ sign and then just start typing Kate and then Sun, and it's double N like that. And Kate will do that. She's got very, very good rates, way cheaper than anywhere else, okay? She's awesome. She's an intellectual property professional, and she'll be able to help you out. She does really good deals, okay? So there you go. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.